Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create table in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a design in my Canva application, and if we want to create table, we just need to go to the elements and we're going to search for table. Just type in table like this, and I'm going to click on see all. Okay, and as you can see, there are a bunch of tables we can choose. And for instance, I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and now the table has been added to my design, and I'm going to make it bigger like this. And then we can customize the table according to our needs. For instance, I'm going to change the color. I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, you can customize the color if you don't like the color from the template. You can also customize the column width like this. And if you want to add text to your table, you can go to the text and then add text box. And I'm going to move it right here. I'm just going to make it smaller like that. I'm going to type in name. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create table in Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.